Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one, we'll be doing a SaaS landing page teardown, and in this case, we'll be talking about Podia, which is a platform where you can host, online courses and memberships, and they offer like a really clean interface, and they're basically the most affordable solution out there, like the best value for your money, basically. They're doing like an amazing job, and I think this is a great example. So I'm going to explain why this landing page is a great example and how it can be improved, because there's definitely something that we can improve here. So the thing that I like the most about this page is that it follows the exact headline formula that I talk about, and they position themselves perfectly, just on the top of the page, because they say everything you need to sell online courses, downloads, and memberships without worrying about the tech, because it's very easy to use. And instead of using 5 tools to do the same thing, they can get to do everything in this tool and still make it affordable, right? So that's like the perfect way to do it, and it's the exact same thing that I suggest on my cheat sheet. Is like how to get the result that they want without the problem that they usually have. So that's perfect, right? And then if we go down, we have some social proof. That's pretty good. She's basically like an influencer about selling courses, so it's a good influencer. One thing that I didn't like here is that they didn't talk about the problem. They didn't touch on the pain again of using 5 different tools, to fix the same thing. How expensive that could be, and so on, and how painful it would be to integrate all of those stuff together. So when they get to show me the solution, that's the part that I don't like. Is they show me a ton of different things. It seems like for some people, it might seem like different products. Like they have online courses, digital downloads, email marketing might seem like a different product and stuff like that. And they ask me to explore more. So I need to check all of these pages just to try to understand, like on a high-level view, which is very overwhelming for the visitors. Instead of just using something like this, where they they would just say, okay, here's how you can host all of your online courses, host them, promote them, update them all in one platform, stuff like that. They wouldn't say step 1, this is what you do, like this is how you host them, this is how you import your data, this is how you promote them with, landing pages, custom landing pages that they generate for you, with email marketing that they have included and stuff like that. And then people would have the full preview that they need, and they wouldn't have to check all of these other pages, because most people won't really check those pages because that's just too overwhelming. Then one big question that they are not answering is there are like a bunch of competitors in the space. And the competitors are very well known, such as Teachable and Kajabi and stuff like that, and they never tell me why are they better. I know why are they better, because they are the affordable solution of all of them, and they can do like most things, and they have like a cleaner interface and stuff like that. But they don't tell me that, right? They only tell me that in the footer when I need to go here and say for the pages that say compare, and then I need to check why is this a better solution. And then if you look at it, like basically Podia is a better solution in every single way. So I want to understand that before I have to look at the footer and see and check those pages, because I'll probably want, right? So that's one really big objection that they're not answering. And another missed opportunity is that they don't have a lead magnet. The thing about Podia is that they have amazing content on how to create a course, how to promote the course, how to come up with the content ideas and stuff like that. So once I get to, let's say I get to the end of the page and I don't feel like getting a free trial, they can get my contact info by showing me, okay, here's how you come up with content ideas, here's the ultimate guide to create a course in 2020, right? So I know that they have that content already, but they are not using it as an alternative call to action, and they're not using it as an exit pop-up and stuff like that. And that's just a big missed opportunity, because I can give them my email address and they can try to convert me long term. And yeah, that's about it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This is still a good example, but as you can see, even the pages that seem really good, they still have a ton of things to improve. And if I knew even more about Podia, I'm sure I will have even more insights. So Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in getting some help, you can go to cortez.design/apply. All this is like a link where you can book a free call with me after answering a couple of qualifying questions. And what the call is about is really just to try to understand your problems, try to understand your goals, try to understand your business, and see if we might be a good fit. And all that means is if I can provide a really good ROI on my services. And if we are a good fit, I'll explain what I have to offer. And if you're not a good fit, I basically won't have anything to sell to you because I only work with good fits. That's just how it works. So if you're interested in that, you can go to cortez.design/apply. And hopefully you enjoy this landing page teardown because I have more coming. Cheers.